Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can use the slice effect for a photo in Canva. What I recommend is just go with the link in the description, it will get you right through it. And now what you want to do is just have a photo in Canva, and then when you have it, just click on it and click effects, and you'll have it here, slice. So click on it, connect, and then it will automatically install here, and you can like chipped. It will load, or sliced, or minced, or torn even. So these are the effects that you can use. I like minced and sliced the most. Like these are like really good. And you can increase, decrease the slices, offset, and position, really up to you. So this is how we make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.